Would you like to get rich? My guess is yes, otherwise you probably wouldn't have clicked on this video. But many of us suffer from the problem that we have been programmed not to get rich. In fact, we've been programmed to stay poor. And that's not a mistake, by the way. You got a question, why don't they teach financial literacy in school? But just because they don't want you to get ahead doesn't mean that you need to accept financial slavery. You can achieve financial success, real, lasting wealth, and financial freedom. And one way to do that is by programming your mind to tap into financial abundance. And in this video, I want to share some practical steps how you can achieve just that. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you do like that topic, then please subscribe to the channel. Of course, leave a little thumbs up on this video to let me know you do appreciate this kind of content. Also, every week my team and I produce the Wealth Mastery Investor Report. We send it straight to your inbox. We cover ways for you to make money regardless of the conditions in the markets. Our members love it. I'm sure you will too. So sign up for free using the link down below in the description. Okay, so let's dive into this. The first thing, learn to embrace an abundance mentality. You, like me, might have grown up around people with negative money habits, negative money attitudes. That needs to change. Don't be a victim of your environment, right? And one way to help change that attitude towards money is with positive affirmations. I know this might sound silly, but I guarantee you that positive affirmations are going to do 100 times better than the negative self-talk that most of us have about money. Flip the script from stuff like, I suck with money, I'll never be rich, I'm just bad with money. That's defeatist. Switch those to powerful, uplifting phrases. Try stuff like, I'm a money magnet. Money flows to me easily. I deserve wealth. I choose to live a rich and full life. I am worthy of being rich. It might sound weird the first time you say those things to yourself in the mirror, but I'll tell you what's even weirder, being stuck in a never-ending loop of self-sabotaging thoughts that keep you damn poor. Try it for 90 days. See if you start thinking any differently. The second thing, habits. Money, like learning a language, going to the gym, any of that stuff requires repetition and learning, and like those things also requires fixing mistakes when you make them, adjusting as you go. So have a real honest look at your money habits. What are you spending money on? Are there some things that you can maybe cut out or reduce? Chances are there are. How much are you saving? Could you be saving more? How much are you investing? Could you be investing more? What are you investing into? How often are you investing? And are the things that you're investing into working out for you? What kind of debt do you have, and how much is that debt costing you? What can you do to eliminate this debt as soon as possible? Now, if you actually take a look at these things, then chances are you're gonna find at least a few negative money habits in amongst all that crazy. And probably a few good money habits too, and a few things that might just simply need improved upon. And when you do identify these areas, take action and course correct, and also double down on the good money habits that you already have. The third step, seek discomfort. People are taught basically nothing about money in school. You aren't taught about savings, you aren't taught about managing your money, you aren't taught about good debt and bad debt, how to invest in stocks, how to get your first rental property, how to buy Bitcoin. You know they're not teaching that in most schools. None of it, but guess what? Those are the exact skills that you're gonna need to succeed in this world, because the harsh truth is that you cannot rely on anyone else when it comes to your financial destiny. And certainly you cannot rely on your government, your pension, all that stuff. That's just, maybe they'll help at some point, but don't rely on that. No one's coming to save you. So start learning those hard things. Start figuring out stuff like technical analysis, figure out how to get an investment property, learn about the stock markets, how to analyze a stock, dive deep into market cycles and investor psychology. And look, you don't need to be in every market, right? But choose which markets you want to be in and then learn about those. And the crazy thing is that you have the chance to learn from some of the world's most successful investors. Many of these people, they went out and wrote books after they got wildly rich, documenting how they won the money game. Learn what they did and then emulate it. The blueprints, they're already out there, but you will need to be willing to get out of your comfort zone and take the risks that are needed to achieve the kind of results that you want to get. The fourth thing is to understand that there is never a perfect time. The key to success is taking action. No amount of positive affirmations, no amount of book reading is ever going to replace the simple process of deciding that you want to change your financial destiny and you're going to make the decision to take the action to get what you want and go for it. The thing you have to remember is that the decision to build wealth, and I'm talking about real, lasting wealth here, the kind of wealth that is going to protect you and your family, potentially for generations, is a decision that is taken in an instant. But it's also a daily process of reaffirming to yourself that decision via your actions. Make no mistake, you will be challenged time and time again. That is what markets do. They challenge you. But you need to consistently affirm to yourself that you deserve to be wealthy, along with continuing to practice those good money habits. And that will make that daily decision of, do I want to be wealthy? Do I want to continue on this path? A resounding, hell yeah, I do. The final thought for you in this video is that you have got to trust yourself. Because at the end of the day, all of this stuff depends on you and your willingness to say, enough is enough. I want to change my financial destiny. I'm making the decision to be wealthy. Even if I'm not there yet, the decision's made and I'm moving towards that. I know I have what it takes to make it happen, and I'm going to make it happen. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Do let me know if you have any other tips for people down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.